Alright, boom, you're listening. We're in Selhurst today. I'm gonna try some jerk pork and some jerk chicken from Tasty Jerk, see what the food's saying. I've heard a lot of people talking about it on Instagram, TikTok, and on YouTube. You can see the smoke out here right now. Smell the food coming from that chimney right there. If you see a chimney smoking like that and a Jamaican sign, just know, say the food might be good, Ruben. So boom, man's gonna try the jerk chicken and jerk pork from the shop behind me called Tasty Jerk there in Selhurst and see what it's saying, Rude boy. Alright, let's go in there. They got sugar dumplings, festivals dumplings, plantain, not plantain. That's the menu up there as well. Yeah, I'm about to get my food and see what it's saying, Rude boy.
You cannot just come in and record.
It looks good though, boss.
I know, even if you look good, you take permission. Oh, can I do the recording? Then I tell you, go ahead. You know what I mean?
So even if I blow you, you don't have to blow your face out then?
Yeah, I can tell you something. Do your recording, then I don't even show.
Oh, okay.
That's what I'm saying.
But you know what the thing is though, yeah, boss? We're living in a world where people come into your shop, they record it so they can show the world how good it looks.
I don't know who you are. You cannot just come in and record. You ask. Say, can I do the recording?
I've never heard that before, boss. But I get it though. I respect it though, yeah?
Yeah, listen, I understand you understand me now. That's very good.
Yeah.
I don't know who you are. Yeah. You don't know me.
Yeah.
But you know me, I'm working here, but I don't know who you are.
No, right? But what I'm trying to say to you is, yeah, I'm recording the food, not you. You're just in the picture.
Yeah, I understand.
But now you said it, I can blow your face out.
Yeah, with that. Even with that.
Yeah.
Oh, it's nice. It's looking nice.
See your camera up here. When I come in here, I don't have to ask you to record me.
That one is for security purpose. Are you a security man? No.
You don't know that though.
Oh, that's what I'm saying. So you should take permission before you do it.
Boss, I hear what he's making it long, isn't it, Bob? I want to grab one of these festivals down there as well. You see, when I was in Jamaica, I used to get the jerk chicken with the jerk pork, with the dumplings, sweet dumpling. Boss man weren't impressed. Nevertheless, let's get this food undressed. That's the jerk pork and jerk chicken looking delicious and fine. Oh my days, look at the crispy pieces. I can't wait. Alright, man's gonna try a quick bite while I'm out here. A bit of jerk pork and them things there, bro, boy. That is smoky, boy. Oh my days. Boom, so man just tried a piece of that jerk pork, yeah. The skin on there alone, rude boy. Oh my days. When I say flavors, yeah, like my mouth's still tingling right now, so like I don't even need to add hot sauce to that, but they gave me a bit of pepper sauce. I'm gonna add it to it when I find somewhere where we can sit down.
This is a big pot. Goes up to Stretton, Westmead, Dulwich, that Newcastle, Sydenham.
This is the viewpoint I was looking for here. Yeah. Check this viewpoint out though, people. Let's keep going. I'm recording on both at the same time. Wow, look on the view though. Oh my days, fam. I always find somewhere nice, innit? Come on now, blood. You know that looks good, yeah? Oh my days. Let me stand up on this quick. Let's see how far we can go in. London right there, boy. Yo, let's have a little look in there and see what we're looking like. So wow, that's the jerk chicken and jerk pork. And try a piece of the jerk pork while we're out here, people. Look how succulent that looks. Let me spin around so you can see it. So we're gonna eat it right here anyway. Let's go. I ain't take my jacket off. I'm hot. Look at the sweat coming from my face, fam. Look how succulent that piece of pork looks right there. Oh my god, fam. Charred and everything. The flavors have gone right through this. I could taste it. Shit, that is spicy. Yeah, I ain't had a jerk pork like this. Mr. Honest Food Palette, you was right. Alright, so boom, man's got the food, yeah. Man's got some sugar dumpling there, some jerk chicken there, some jerk pork there, and a chicken patty. That's from another shop. But we're gonna do this one quick and then do that one there, all in the same thing. Boom. So man's gonna try a piece of this jerk chicken in that. I only put a little bit on the plate because I'm not gonna eat all of it, people. Like butter. Like butter. The flavour, yeah, is smoky, charred, seasoned well, juicy, succulent. I don't even know what word. This is a BR meal right here. Try a bit of that jerk pork right there. Oh my god, look how succulent that looks. Blood, the flavours in this is impeccable, blood. Oh my days. Each bite I'm having, yeah, it's just burst of flavours. It's like, it's charred, it's crispy. The fat content on there is good. Look how it's been sliced up and that the seasoning has gone between every crevice. I'm using new words. The festival. I know I put it in the air fryer, so sometimes it goes messed up. Let's see what that's saying. That is sweet. It's got the sweetness to it, and it's not, even though I know it's a dry dumpling, but it's not even dry like that. It's holding flavours. And this sauce, oh, is it homemade? Let's see. Oh my god. yo, that's my new sauce. I hope they just sell this sauce by itself, yeah, but look, on the jerk chicken. You know it's juicy, yeah, when the chicken bone just falls off like that. That Scotch bonnet sauce is hot, boy. Banging, blam. Oh my god. That's proper hot sauce right there. That there I need in my life. This, I'm gonna pour some on the pork as well. I'm gonna pour some on that jerk pork. People, don't judge me, blood. You saw the way that buttered. You saw the way that buttered. This is jerk pork, and cow. Go down there.
What's going on, buddy? You can smell the jerk chicken and jerk pork, innit? Yeah, I know you can. You got your leg up, but where's the owner, blood? I don't know where the owner is, but you got one little cool Doberman looking thing and whatever the hell this little fluffy thing is. Hey, Fluffy. You okay, Fluffs? But yeah, I got a roll, man. The man's in the woods, boy, with 2 dogs that ain't mine. Now they're following me. You can't follow me. You got to find your owner. Alright, where is the owner? Where could the owner be?
By far, one of the best jerks I've had. Jerk chicken wise, jerk pork wise. Festivals, just a normal festival. But the customer service being bad, food is quite good, man. Well, I can't say the customer service was bad. It was just the one guy in there. All the food, apart from the one guy and his customer service, everything was banging in there, blood. And that's the thing. I don't want to make it about the customer service because the food speaks for its actual self. Do you know what I'm trying to say, people? This speaks for itself. Only problem was my man just didn't want to be recorded. He wanted me to ask him first before recording. And yeah, that's it, innit, people? But yeah, food's banging. I tried that chicken patty from the other shop, boy. I know it's on the plate with jerk chicken. Look at the amount of filling. The amount of filling that's in there, blood. Oh my god. Oh, well, that side's half shelled, but look at the filling on there.
If the owner don't pop up here, I'm taking it. Yep, there. I found the owner. It's over in the far corner. Over there. And there's this one here. A lovely chat with the Ukraine lady and that. Those 2 dogs there. One of them's a Mexican dog. Still following me. Oh, we got another one now. We got 3 of them now. Yeah. I'll follow. I'll bring her over to you. Yeah. Yeah, no, it was following me down there, so I thought I'll walk her back so you can get your dog.
Yeah, looking for things.
Oh, she's looking for this one.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, hello, Jack Russell. Anyway, you take care, yeah? I see. No. I think this person's dog over here. Yeah. It's here. Look, the dog's still following me. Bruv, this dog wants me, you know. Yeah, look how nice this looks, man. Oh my days, man. And you see, if you can see through the trees, like through that gap right there, spectacular view right there. I'm trying to find, I'm going back down here. I want to go more up so I can see a sick viewpoint. I went on Google Maps quickly just to check, and it said there's a good viewpoint, but I can't. I have to go back. Look, the dog's followed me again, further down now. Martin, I think your name is. You have to go back. I know I had jerk chicken and jerk pork on my fingers. They found me again. Boom, so man just tried a piece of that jerk chicken, yeah? I'm not even gonna lie to you. Banging, fam. The flavor's there right now, yeah? It's hitting some levels.